They're very confident.
Anything goes on there?
Something's happening. It says it's live.
I just don't know where it's going to say it.
Yeah.
Your event is starting.
Maybe channels.
There we go.
Ah! There we go. Plug homepage on YouTube. Popped up as you've got a live stream.
Maybe how you found the camera?
Now, there's a bit more lag here. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's me.
That's like 15, 20 seconds.
Yeah. 15. 20.
Oh,
25.
25 seconds.
20 to 25 seconds.
Good.
I don't. It happened.
Yeah, it happened. We saw you only his fingertips, but 20 to 25 second delay. Which is it's fine.
Now the quality should be better. Audio
Stream
range.
status is bad
Yeah.
for some reason. Please use a keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. Currently, keyframes are not being set often enough, which will cause buffering. The current keyframe frequency is 2 seconds.
We could probably change that, but there's no excuse to it be bad. We should have great bandwidth. It does seem quite picky, but we've got great bandwidth here.
40 seconds.
Still hasn't stopped, has it? Maybe it has. Oh, did it pause?
It looked like it had paused.
We'll see if that changes. Just see if that goes. Testing.
25 seconds it takes, and the audio quality is still not fantastic, but
I don't know if we can fix that 2 second keyframes. It's probably. I don't have a problem with 2 second keyframes.
Hopefully, you'll see my phone with the time on it.
Yeah.
sorry?
Hopefully, you'll see my phone with the time on it appear in the frame.
Another 10 seconds or something.
There we go.
Ooh.
Yeah, not very readable, but still.
Seeing into the past. Yeah. Shall we reboot again? See if it'll. Oh no, this is definitely a manual process right now.
Because we haven't even put into event stream with that key, have we?
Yeah. Let's try that.
So we'll F12 out. We'll find Alt-Tab to be. Ah, I know why I can't find it. It's because it's in Chrome. Come back Chrome. But in that tab. So we
Show more.
show more. Click on the key.
Yep.
The new key. Is that right?
Yep.
If I make a SmallCon account,
Start. And that should start. Go green in a few seconds.
Good.
okay. F5.
I'd kind of like to see. So
Yeah,
it's
there we go.
working. I'm going to
There we
do it now without changing. Hopefully it'll come back.
Seems to think the stream is good again already.
No joy.
Okay. Might have to wait the full 25 seconds or something.
Sure. No worries.
So it's been about 15.
Bring my clock up.
Yeah.
I think when something is interrupted, it has to be restarted. It won't automatically do it because in the event you leave your browser open or something. It shouldn't automatically restart.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was 25.
Okay.
So if I back out of this,
Or maybe just press play again or something, like hover, pause play.
I'm going to
That's
go
annoying.
back. I see this. Got it.
Right.
So in the event that it's interrupted, oh, there we go. Error has occurred again.
Oh. It looks fine from this side.
Yeah. No, error has occurred.
Gosh.
It's still complaining about the keyframes. Or is
Yeah.
it?
Well, it's a warning. It's not fatal. Probably we can change the settings. We've been using.
Ah,
Okay, got it back. Let's see if it lasts.
Oh, did that restart? Or no, it's should be fine. It's still going. Key interval equals 50. Key minimum equals 5. Let's try. If you look those up, or just try filling the numbers. Keyframe of 4 seconds or less. Current keyframe is 2. What?
what? Please use something which is less than 4 seconds. You're currently using 2.
I'm going to change that.
Say when.
Wasn't there? I saw that FFmpeg preset is very fast. G50. What happens if we say G20? Changing in settings. So keyframes. Key int 2. Key int 20.
Key min equal 2. It was 50 and 5 before, I think.
Yeah.
That's a new one. What's it saying? Weird.
Okay. So that log file that we say, that event stream log, it prints out the magic command which is streamed to YouTube. Read from DV switch, stream to YouTube. And if you copy and paste it, it works.
That's fine. You know, if that's what's required.
There's every chance if we get Luke onto that, he might fix it. Like this week.
I can't help but wonder if this is trying to write this log, this wonderful little progress log it's doing, is somehow
Taking all the bandwidth for processing?
or hanging it. So it's trying to write. It's trying to say, "Oh, I'm going to notify it," and it tries to send something out, and for some reason the
Nothing's listening.
nothing's listening, and it says, "Oh, nothing's listening. I'll just wait until something listens before I do anything else."
Yeah. That.
But I've been listening the whole time. I've been.
Oh, so I was saying. So this is writing to the terminal at the moment that things are happening.
Yes.
To update us. When it starts on its own with Event Streamer, it's probably still going to do this right to the terminal, but there's no terminal, and maybe because of that, it's just hanging, waiting for the terminal to respond.
Yeah.
I'm going to turn this off and then use your bathroom.
Down the hole.
That's probably the right order.
So, I think we're going to try restarting with Swankony names.
So, kill this?
Yeah.
Select stuff.
Yeah.
I think I should subscribe to the plug AV list. That almost makes you a plug AV team member.
Yeah.
It seems all very straightforward, and it is, except it's not simple because it's not because the straightforwardness has hidden complexities which keep biting us.
We fixed it by restarting things. Mostly the EV station was the important trick. Restarting the whole machines, and eventually it worked. Any kind of check that we can automate goes into event stream.
Okay.
What do we want to do next? Do we want to try a teardown? As in unplug all the audio, or at least that?
I think we try pull everything down, but at least have it all in one location.
Yeah.
And just so we can make sure everything's plugged in the right order, everything, and then we'll need to document the process of the hardware. I'm happy with. I can do that.
In your sleep.
Yeah. It's the software portion that I think we'll need to document.
Yeah.
Alrighty then. So this is independent. That's independent.
Yep.
So
Nick and I are both software people, and we'd still probably have to write it all down.
yeah.
Absolutely.
So sudo shutdown.
Run
Sudo shutdown.
Yeah.
So we
shutdown or reboot.
we can shut this down from here, can't we?
Yeah.
Shut down.
Yeah.
And confirm.
Should say only.
There we go. Okay, so I got the
audio from that input. Yep. Video is the A. Imagine if we had more cameras. Now we can add cameras. We can add the file.
Is this depressed or not depressed?
The A is selected. It is hard to see, isn't it?
Just a little. That's okay. I just need to know that if that's what it's going to look like. Okay, and now here we should open a M3U. It should automatically open. No. Let's try the.
VLC will work or MFA will work.
See if what default player do you have for this? Videos. There we go. Oop,
now this is very old. What is it?
There we go.
Oh, no. Wow.
From 1000 to 1000 to 1000. Yeah, 5 seconds, which is pretty darn good.
Cool.
So the streaming is working without anything needed.
If you're confident about that, and we just wait long enough, sometimes it works.
Yep. Okay, so streaming through Icecast works without much input.
Right.
Now let's get YouTube working, because that requires some.
Yeah. No, I think it's working. Gosh. Really has worked.
I'm wondering though, once we turn everything off and change the details on the live stream, that's what's gonna kick it.
Okay, well, there is one thing that does bite, The YouTube is a recent addition, but basically changing these settings, you might have to reboot. You might have to change the settings and reboot. If you restart everything, the right way, you probably don't have to reboot. But worst case scenario, any change here, you might end up having to reboot.
So how do we go from here to streaming on YouTube?
Right, so the settings is this bit.
Yep.
None of the rest will change, but this key will.
Cool.
So let's create a new one.
So just go to YouTube.
Yeah. Yep. Now you happen to be logged into the Plug Committee account.
So let's just try to go here. Find it through the browser. Plug Perth.
You are logged in.
Select that, and there should be for new visitors.
Probably channels. There should be live channel.
Nope.
Well, it should have been on the home page. Scroll down a little. Talks.
Yeah, it should be at the very top.
Yeah.
Because it's got it over. Oh, view as yourself.
Ah.
No.
Reboot.
There we go.
Ha. Sweet. Is me standing up?
That's
Look at that.
okay. So yeah, that was 15 odd seconds.
For the exercise, let's create a new live session.
Yes, please. Okay. So going to.
Yeah. Back to the home page somehow. Live is
Okay, so here's you. Your home page.
my channel.
Yep.
Somewhere there should be like creator of my
Videos, views, subscribers, upload.
upload. Let's try. Nope.
Hang on.
Oh, live stream. Yeah. Oh yes. Oh, so I normally just go. I've been here before. Live dashboard.
Ah, live dashboard. Okay.
Right. Create new. Stream. Maybe you can only have one live stream. Is that
Yep.
possible?
That's. Do we have? Okay. Well, I'm going to. How do I kill? There's this one.
Might have to send it.
So,
Stop
yep.
streaming.
Stop streaming. Are you sure you want to stop streaming?